is the bomb dump in Andover. Today I'm rocking my SSG 24 with Novritsch suppressor and scope. Also running Mark 23 because of how cold it is.
Marshall's a first aid trainer. We carry first aid kits on our backs today, so if you get any issues or you fall over and break your nail or get a small cut, we can help you out, guys. Right? Put a plaster on it and make you feel better.
When people have been scrambling.
In this game mode, each team started at the end of each field. The objective was to collect poles from each location. Each location had a pole for each team. You then had to take them back to your headquarters. The team with the most poles at the end of a 15-minute game wins. My strategy was to hold the front defensive line and if need be, fall back to a second defensive line. As you can see, let's see how it fared out.
Go!
Oh, I'm so unfit. They're just down there, by the way, in this alleyway. In this alleyway that you can see one of them.
I see him, yeah.
Oh.
Did you get him?
Nope, I got one of them.
Oh, no.
Come on. He keeps popping out around the side. I don't know whether he's going to try and go over, but might be a good starting point for you guys. I can only get so close, so
Yeah.
might need you guys to do some of the work. Dude, how many flinches do you want? Shooting from that little hut over there. Where are they?
I think there's somebody. Oh, yeah, we got one. Is anyone on that hand side?
There's a couple guys in the hut that's down there. I don't know how far 30 metres is.
I can't see anybody. I'm just watching right now.
There's one in the gateway. Two. Far side. Yeah, far side. What is it, west wing or whatever. Not loads. The majority look like they're on the right hand side. What kind of range you got? Right, if you come to where I am, just keep your head relatively low. Over in West Wing, which is over there, right behind the first big wall on the left and the right, but the majority of them are behind the right. Not even close, buddy. I love watching the BBs bounce over the hill. Right, so there's obviously guys up there. I want to go over this and shoot that way.
But there's people.
Just try cover us if people start shooting me from that way. Oh, my balls are in a nice, like, mould. I don't know, but they're moving back pretty quick. Oh, hit! We still got theirs, it's all good. There's a lot of prickle bushes to slide through. Caught on every fucking bush. Oh, gun. Oh, far right, far right, far right. Got him. Oh, he moved, he saw it. One on the right hand side of that building, just popping out under number 3. That's the problem, they see it coming. Kind of want to run in, because why the f not? It's 30 seconds. The whistle marked the end of this game. I hope you enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed playing. If you liked the video, leave a like or a comment, and I'll see you here next time.